Welcome to the math review. Here we're being asked to write an expression that's equivalent to 5 parentheses 6h minus k. The first thing we have to do is take this expression inside parentheses and break it up into its terms. That way we know what we have to multiply by 5 when we're using our distributive property. So let's rewrite this expression a little bit bigger. Now what we'll need to do is we'll have to take this expression inside and break it up into its terms. In order to find the end of the first term, I read it from left to right, and then whenever I see my plus or minus sign, I just drop a line in front of that. So here I've got 6h, and I got this minus sign here, so I'll drop a line right here, and that marks the end of that term. Now I'll start where I left off, and this will be the beginning of my next term, and I'll go to the end of the parentheses here. So this is my second term. So one term is 6h, positive 6h to be more specific, and negative k. And it's important to remember that whenever you have a variable, but you don't have a number in front, also called a coefficient, when there's no coefficient written there, it's automatically 1. So this isn't just negative k, it's negative 1k. Now that we know what our terms are inside, now we know what we're going to have to multiply our outside factor by. And our outside factor is 5. So we're going to take this 5 and we're going to multiply it 2 times. Once times the first term, positive 6h, and then again after that times the second term, negative 1k. So now let's do the first thing. 5 times positive 6h is going to give us 30h, or positive 30h. But since it's the first term, I don't have to put the positive sign. It's automatically understood. So I'm done with that term. Now I have to go to the second term. We've got 5 times negative 1k. Well, what's 5 times negative 1? Well, that's negative 5. So we'll write negative 5k. There's nothing else inside parentheses, therefore there's nothing else to multiply by, and that means that we're done. But we have to remember that we need to answer the question that's being asked of us. We're being asked to find the equivalent expression. Well, that's this expression here, 30h minus 5k. This new expression, after we've distributed, is the equivalent expression to the original one up here, 5 parentheses 6h minus k. Thanks for watching our video on the math review. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. We might use your question in our next video. And if you found this lesson helpful, please make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. And it would really help if you share this and our other videos to any of your social media platforms. See you next time on the Math Review.